Good morning, students. It is chapter 4, class 11th physics, motion in a plane, and the topic is vectors. Some quantities has only magnitude like speed, mass, area, time, temperature, distance. These are known scalar. And who have magnitude and direction both, like displacement, position, velocity, acceleration, force, momentum, torque, they are known as vector. And vector quantity are represented by arrow. We place the arrow above the quantity like velocity v vector, force f vector. How we add the vectors? There are two methods, triangle method and polygon method. When we add only two vectors, then third side will be resultant. Resultant are a plus b, and its magnitude is given by r equal a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle between these vectors. And polygon method, when we add more than two vectors like this a, b, c, d and e. The addition of vector always follow commutative rule as well as associative rule. Means we can exchange the position. A plus b is equal b plus a vector always, and a plus b plus c plus d may be equal c plus d. Means we can add vector at any place where we want. And triangle law, two vectors if can be represented in magnitude and direction both by the two sides of a triangle, then third side of that triangle will give us the resultant of those vectors. And law of parallelogram like this: first vector, second vector, then this is the resultant R. This. And law of parallelogram of vectors, if two vectors can be represented simultaneously, two vectors acting simultaneously at a point can be represented in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram like this. These two vectors acting at this point of a parallelogram, then their resultant will be given by the diagonal which passing through the intersecting point of those vectors. अगर दो वेक्टर रिप्रेजेंट हो किसी पैरेललोग्राम की एडजेसेंट साइड से, तो उनका रिजल्टेंट उस डायगोनल से शो होगा जो उनके इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट से जाता है. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स, ट्रायंगल एंड पैरेललोग्राम आर बोथ. नाउ resolution of vectors, just opposite phenomena of addition. We can break a vector into two vectors called component. First along x-axis, another along y-axis, horizontal component, vertical component, a cos theta, a sin theta. Cos will be taken in that side where there is the angle. And now scalar product of two vectors, multiplication of vectors. Let two vectors are a b, angle between them is theta. Then a dot b will be equal a b cos theta. Means dot product or scalar product of two vectors is equal to the product of their magnitude and cosine of the angle between them. दो वेक्टरों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट उन दोनों की मैग्नीट्यूड, उनके बीच के एंगल के कोसाइन के प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल होता है. a dot b into cos theta. What are the property of scalar product? It is commutative. We can exchange the place, and if we multiply by two vectors by dot method, then it will be equals to the square of its magnitude. किसी वेक्टर का सेल प्रोडक्ट उसके मैग्नीट्यूड के स्क्वायर के इक्वल होता है. If two vectors are parallel, angle between a and b is 0, then their dot product will be equal to the product of their magnitude. And if both are perpendicular, then product will be 0. Now orthogonal unit vector. This is I cap. Cap means unit vector. Unit vector is the vector whose magnitude is 1. It can be represented by n cap, x cap, r cap, f cap, whatever. So x along x-axis I vector, along y-axis j vector, along z-axis k vector. So if we multiply I by I means we will take self dot product of any vector, it will be 1, and with another unit vector it is 0.